everyone, thanks for joining me today. If this is your first time dropping by, I'm Melanie. I'm so happy you're here. The name of my channel is Melanie Thompson. I don't know about you, but I love decorating my dining room for fall and creating a beautiful tablescape. Are you like that? I've created a beautiful and inviting space, and today I'm going to share it with you. So let's head inside and I'll show you what I did. Welcome to my dining room, everybody. And I'm gonna start by taking you guys over and showing you the pictures that I have here hanging on the wall. For those of you that are familiar with my channel, you might have seen this larger one. That is a Rembrandt reproduction. This one I just found recently at Goodwill, and I believe I paid $6. This is actually a Van Gogh reproduction. Both of these pictures are so beautiful and they tie in perfectly with my primitive country style decorating. I've done some research online to see if I can figure out exactly how old these reproductions are, but I didn't have any luck. I purchased this Rembrandt reproduction a couple years ago at a church thrift store for $2. Some of you might remember when I shared this in one of my haul videos. This is the chair that my sister-in-law found for me. It's a really cute, primitive colonial reproduction. I didn't want this chair to look too over-decorated, so I added this primitive rustic heart pillow. I bought it at the Crossroads Country Mall, and if you're close by and you're interested, there's actually one more pillow like this left there, and it's adorable. I just love this pillow. It also hangs, which is really nice. And I added one of these primitive inspired taper candles that I love. Some of you might have seen my video last Sunday on how I made these adorable faux corn and pantry cake, but I did tweak this buffet a little bit, and you'll see those changes as I go along. I added this primitive bowl, and I love this, you guys. It is so primitive. Whether or not it's a reproduction, I don't know, but it looks original. My sister-in-law found it for me at a yard sale, and I did share that in one of my haul videos. And I also just added some pieces that would really tie into my style of decorating. And what I did differently to my bowl of faux corn, I added some real dried corn. I had an old piece of Indian corn that the top came off of, and I didn't know what I was going to do with it. And I thought it would be so nice to just take it off of the cob and place it in the bowl. I love the look. If you missed the video on how I made my faux corn and pantry cakes, I'll be sure to link it below in my description box. So all you have to do is click the link and it'll take you right to the video. This is where I like to keep my cheese boxes and my vintage jelly bean box. In between the boxes, I placed two of my grandma's vintage griddles. One is a cast iron and the other one is Guardian Service. On the top, I added a wreath and lantern to complete the look. I tucked my antique bread proofer under my buffet. I think it looks good there and it's out of the way. What do you think? This bonnet and apron are replicas. They were actually my daughter's play dress-up clothes when she was a little girl, and I remembered I had them and I knew I wanted to decorate with them. I did have them hanging on my fireplace mantle for a while, but I thought for fall it would look nice to move them out into my dining room. These were made by a good friend of mine, and she's actually a seamstress. This area is always so much fun for me to decorate. It looks like it's a hutch, but it's actually not. It is a bicentennial stereo and cabinet. For those of you that follow my channel regularly, you guys already know that I love Halloween decor and decorating. And I've also, within this last year, I've totally transitioned my decorating style. This year, with my fall and Halloween decorating, I'm really trying to stay away from specific pieces. Like, I don't want to decorate with a lot of scarecrows or a lot of skeletons, or you know what I'm talking about. It's like I just don't want to use a lot of specific decor pieces. I'm really leaning more towards color. I want to decorate with autumn colors or Halloween colors, not just specific pieces. So I'm really hoping that with my autumn and Halloween decorating, I can really bring you guys a lot of decorating inspiration. This cabinet is a great example. As you can see here, all I added that was specific autumn decor is the Indian corn, and it's enough. This cabinet doesn't need any more than that. It's the right amount. But as you can see, I added a lot of autumn color and aluminum, and together they're the perfect combination. You'll notice I added the same style of wreath to the door of this cabinet as the one that's on the chair. I'm a maximalist, and I'm going to decorate every area possible. These are really cute folk art hot pads. I found them a while ago at Goodwill. I think they look really sweet. They've been hanging on this wall now for a little while. And here I have these stackable boxes, and I forget the brand. I can't remember if these were Bob's. I don't think that sounds right. But they're really nice. I actually purchased these at Goodwill, and here I tucked this little sweet kitty. I think that looks cute. I like adding lights to my windows, especially in the fall and winter. Are any of you like that? I think it adds a nice glow, just makes me feel so nice and warm and cozy. This light is made to look like a scoop. Isn't it adorable? It's really unique. I bought it at the Crossroads Country Mall. Welcome to my table. I am so happy with how this turned out. I love this look so much. You'll notice there's no plates, chargers, glasses, stemware, silverware. Nope, there's none of that because I didn't think that it needed it. I bought this primitive grape box recently at a flea market for 25 bucks. I thought that was a fair price. I wanted this to look like a bountiful display of fruits and vegetables. As you'll notice, I added Indian corn to my primitive scoop. I actually have another wooden primitive scoop that is very old, and it is gorgeous. And if you like this look of the corn inside the scoop, wait till you see what I share in my next video. The cloth that you see tucked down inside this box is actually Halloween creepy cloth, but I found that it also works really nice with primitive decorating. If you'd like to try and recreate this look and you don't have any creepy cloth just laying around your house, you can always use cheesecloth. You can even stain it to make it look nice and old with coffee or tea. My quilted table runner also came from the Crossroads Country Mall, and I even have 4 matching placemats. And I did a Google search. Widmer's was a vineyard that was located in Naples, New York. So what do you think of my tablescape and dining room decor? Did you like it? Well, everyone, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I was able to bring you a lot of decorating inspiration. I'll see you all again on Wednesday. Take care.